I'm Carrie. I cosplay crochet and do history bounding. Last Easter, I made myself this lovely, not exactly an Easter bonnet, more like an Easter fascinator. This year, it's Atreyu's turn for some festive headwear. Here's his little bunny ears. Very simple crochet. It's similar to how I make the leaf in the fascinator for my jack-o'-lantern costume. Made 2 of them. 1 hole pipe cleaner this time. It's twisted up, so there's pipe cleaner in here, which is how I'm able to get the shape and can reposition them how I would like. And then sewed the ears onto the pipe cleaner just to make sure it wasn't going to go anywhere.
That make him an outlaw in the city of Sombertown, which is ruled by an oppressive dictator who wants to burn toys and incarcerate anyone who doesn't comply with his laws. Intrigued? The special starts out.
Hi.
Obviously, this is Fred Astaire. Why the long face, Fred? Astaire
Where are you going?
dancer and actor most popular through the 1930s.
Where are you going?
And does a fantastic.
I crocheted him little bunny ears. There you go. Is that good? Okay. Well, that's it for today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see some of the other fun things that I make for this little guy, make sure you subscribe. Until next time, have fun and be creative. You're so cute, Wiggly Bottoms. Yes, you are. I think that was pretty good. Okay.